Powering this hunk is a monstrous the T143, hence the name Method 143, 2343cc V-twin power plant from S&S, which will give the Method 143 an earth-shattering 170 horsepower. Thanks to the specially designed downdraft injection system and a compression ratio of 10.47:1. This makes the 160 horsepower Ducati Diavel feel like a puny little thing. And that, ladies and gents, is what making a statement is all about. The T143 is a long block engine specifically made for high-performance drag bikes. For the Method 143, S&S have tuned this machine for longevity, better throttle response and reduced engine noise and vibrations. It features CNC machined S&S B3 cylinder heads with 2-bolt exhaust flanges, 3-piece flywheels, S&S high-flow oil pump and cam cover, S&S premium high-performance tappets, gloss black rocker covers, gear cover, tappet blocks and pushrod tubes. This is the biggest, nastiest, most powerful, high-performance production engine made by the folks at S&S. It is primarily made for the Sunday hits on a drag strip rather than a Sunday cruising around the hills. Inspired by the exhaust systems seen on MotoGP machines, the Method 143 gets full titanium and carbon fiber exhaust made by SC Product.